Is your OmeTV not working? In this video, I'll help you fix it. This usually happens because of app permission issues, camera conflict, or background restrictions in your OS. But don't worry, here are some quick and easy steps to fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1. Allow camera permission for OmeTV. Start by going to your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now search for OmeTV. Once found, tap on it. Now tap on Permissions. Select Camera. Make sure camera is set to Allow Only while using the app. If it's on Deny, switch it right away. Also, check microphone permission here and set it to Allow. Once done, go back and restart the OmeTV app. Solution 2. Clear cache and data of OmeTV. This problem gets fixed at this point, but let's say it's still persisting, so you can try out this solution. Open Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now find and open OmeTV from here. Scroll down and tap Storage. Now tap Clear Cache, then tap Clear Data and confirm. This will reset the app's settings and clear out any bugs. Open OmeTV again and test your camera. Solution 3. Restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix app permission or camera issues. So go ahead and restart your phone. Once restarted, open OmeTV again and check the camera. And there you go. These are the best ways to fix your OmeTV camera not working issue on your Android phone. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button for more easy phone fix guides just like this one. Thanks a lot for watching.